So what is the Biblio Monkey? Well, you'll find it way over here on the Utilities tab inside Monkey Tools. There's a great big button for Biblio Monkey, and when you pop it open, what you'll find is the first time you open it, it's not nearly as populated as what you see for mine. This is my real version of Biblio Monkey that I use every day when I'm working with Excel. Yours, no doubt, will be blank. Why is that? Well, the reality is that this tool allows you to store important things that you might want to recall later and re-inject into other workbooks. We allow you to store power queries, measures, formulas, VBA, Office scripts, Lambda functions, Python formulas. All of these things are very easy to store inside the Biblio Monkey application. This is your own personal database. And it's a lot nicer than what a lot of users do, which is storing things in, say, notepad files, because this actually allows you to organize them and recall them and inject them pretty easily. Now, I'm going to go through in the next series of videos and show you how to start creating and populating your Biblio Monkey database and how to use it and what the difference in feature set is between free and the pro versions. And sneak peek on this one, you can do an awful lot with free. But from the pro side, we just make certain parts a little bit easier and a little bit more seamless. So dive into the next series and learn how to use this. You're going to find this is an incredible time-saving tool for things that you do on a regular basis. Thanks for watching this episode of Using Monkey Tools. To get your own monkey, visit our website at monkeytools.ca. Or if you subscribe to Skillwave's Self-Service Business Intelligence Academy, you'll get a free annual pro license included with your subscription. And remember, Monkey Tools was developed to support better Excel and Power BI solutions. If you want to learn how to really master these tools, you should definitely check out our full course catalog at skillwave.training.